Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be continuing on with our macOS development with AppKit tutorial series. And in this particular tutorial we are going to be taking a look at how we can create a wrapping label in AppKit using an NSTextField. Now, this is using another initializer that we have available to us. Let's go ahead and go into the documentation and we can see what exactly it is that we're talking about here. So if we go into Safari, it should be let's see. There it is, wrapping label with string. So this is the initializer that we're going to use. The description of this is pretty much telling us that this will create a selectable label where its text will wrap. All right. And it also states that this will use the system default font. So keep that in mind as well. Let's take a look at the requirements for your macOS version. This will only work on macOS 10.12 and later. So if you're not on that version of macOS, or you're not supporting that version of macOS and above, then you're not going to be able to use this. All right. So let's go ahead then and go into Xcode and use this initializer. So let's go into Xcode. And instead of a label with string, we will say wrapping label with string. And we'll put some long text in here so it wraps. This is some very long text for a static label in macOS using the init wrapped label with string initializer of the NSTextField object that is built into AppKit and that is only compatible with macOS 10.12 and above. This can't be used in versions earlier than that. All right, so we have a nice long string. If we save this and we run it, all right. Now there is our string. There's our label. Now, what we can also do to see that this is wrapping is if we go to our constraints, instead of 600, let's say 300 pixels. So we can save this. Let it do its thing. And there is our label. It's, you can see that it is in fact wrapping like it should. And so, really, that's all you need to do to create a label that wraps in macOS from an NSTextField. You just need to change that initializer to something different. So that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Thank you all so very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.